True friends I underneath the witty words don't believe. I can't believe a damn thing they say anymore. Liar, liar, you pay for your sins. Liar, liar, you pay for your sins. So tell me, how does it feel? How does it feel to be like you? I think your mouth should be quiet, 'cause it never tells the truth now. So tell me why? Why does it have to be this way? Why can't things ever change?